Here's a review of the Strasburg Railroad Flat Car Wheel Load by Lionel Trains. It comes packaged with the wheels separate from the car, so you have to put them on. It has operating couplers, die-cast sprung trucks, and it includes 8 pairs of wheels for the deck. The flat car is 11 inches long, and it first came out in 2011. It's O gauge. Its minimum curve is 0.27, and it's priced at about $70 in 2011. Here's a view of the Strasburg logo. Built 2011 with the model number. There's the wheels. Here's the side. Here's the other side. That's it. Thanks for watching.